Hi, friends. If you're listening to this video, you're probably here because you're struggling with weight loss. If you're like so many people, it's not a short-term struggle. Unfortunately, this is something that many people struggle with for years and years and years. Or they maybe lose weight and gain it back and lose weight again and gain it back again. It's a very frustrating process. So, when I did my PhD dissertation, I decided to do my research on weight loss and really with the goal of getting to the bottom of what's the missing link or links and why do so many people struggle not to lose weight, but to maintain a healthy body weight. And this is why I literally wrote a book on weight loss. You may have seen my book, The Quantum Weight Loss Blueprint, or maybe heard of the study that I did for my work called the Quantum Weight Loss, the Quantum Weight Loss Study. And in my book, I cover over 20 different reasons that people struggle to lose weight that have little to nothing to do with diet and exercise, right? This idea that if you're struggling to lose weight, you're just eating too much or you're not exercising enough is simply not true. Many of you know that, right? You've experienced it where you're like, I'm hardly eating, like I've cut my calories, or I'm exercising like a crazy person, and you don't feel good, of course. And there's lots of reasons for that, but you don't feel good, you don't have energy, and the weight's not budging. Or you have to really work super, 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 super hard to lose a pound or two, and then one meal a little bit off the rails, and it's right back. Very frustrating process. So the way we look at weight loss at New Hope Health is we're really looking at it truly from a holistic standpoint. So there are things that can impact your body's ability to release weight that not many people are talking about. This could be anything from a dental infection to a nutrient deficiency to a lack of sleep. Good quality sleep is so important. I literally have had clients, I have a couple, at least two case studies coming to mind right away where people, the main change they did is they started going to bed on time. No other changes. One lady lost 12 pounds in about 4.5 weeks. She made no other changes, but she was very high stress, corporate driven, stay up late to meet deadlines, get up early to be in the office kind of woman. And once we got her sleeping, it was like the weight was like, okay, I'm safe, I can go now, right? So this is a really common thing. So here's the message, the takeaway when you're looking to lose weight. If it sounds like a gimmick, it probably is. Weight loss, if it once you understand the cause, the actual cause or causes of why your body is holding on to weight, and you create safety in the body so the body is able to get rid of the weight, it doesn't need it anymore. Weight's a protection device, right? Then the weight just goes away. So when you start focusing on being healthy, which does include being at a lean, healthy body weight, but once you focus on being healthy, that losing and maintaining the body weight is easy, and that's really how it should be. So I would love to help you if you need support. This is what we're here for. But it is important when you're looking at like how do I want to work with someone, or what kind of program do I want to be on to lose weight? It has to include and address all aspects of your life. So this is why, like I said, I wrote the Quantum Weight Loss Blueprint and why I work with people in the way that I do. It's not a quick fix. Are there dietary changes that you may need to make? Probably. I'm going to be really straight with you on that. But is that the only thing? It's really not. And sometimes it's not even the biggest thing. So before you get too frustrated, please take heart. There may be some low-hanging fruit you can pick that will get you some wins right away. And that's what I would love to do, because once we get some low-hanging fruit, we get some wins, we start feeling better, then the harder things become easier. And the weight loss is lasting. That's really the goal of what we're trying to do as we seek to expand and rise in our health and radiance.